Sequence questions are also known as ranking or ordering questions. This question type is really useful when you want to test learners on a procedure or a process. Normally, a sequence question contains a list of items presented to learners in the incorrect order, then requires learners to place these items in the right order. Now, let's go through 6 stages to know how to create a sequence question. Insert a sequence question. Customize a sequence question. Set correct answer. Set score and reporting. Add events, actions, and customize feedback layers. To insert a sequence question, click Interactions at the Home tab, then select Sequence. Or open the Questions tab, select Sequence. The new question slide appears with 3 parts: the top text box, the answer area, and the Submit button. Next, customize a sequence question. Click the top text box to add the question title. Select the answer area. Open the Size and Properties tab at the Properties pane. Notice the Container Layout section. Here, the grid layout is selected by default. You can change its properties to fit your needs. Besides, you can change to another layout if you want. Select all of the answer labels. Open the Format tab. Then change their shape. To insert an image, click the answer label. Open the Style and Effects tab at the Properties pane. Access the Fill section. Select Image Fill. Then choose an image from your file system. To set the correct answer, just drag and drop answer labels into the right order. In the output, answer labels are mixed up randomly each time learners take the question. ActivePresenter also allows you to set score and reporting for sequence questions. Select the answer area. Open the Interactivity tab. At the Score and Reporting section, select Graded Mode. For example, I set 3 points if learners can drag all items in the correct order, and they can interact with the question 2 times. Tick the Timeout checkbox, and set the time limit. Make sure that the slide duration is longer than the time limit you've set. The sequence question has default events, actions and feedback layers added automatically. You can add, change or delete as you want. That's it. Thanks for watching.